about a year and a half.
All right, well, welcome back. We're here at Dublin Bowl for the first regional that we're bowling this year. 8 games of qualifying, cut to the top 16, and then another 4 games of the cashers round, and then another cut to the top 8 for round robin match play. We're just gonna try to make one shot at a time today, and hopefully we make it to tomorrow. Yeah, I got some gems here. I got an Alpha Crux. I brought a UFO Alert because apparently we can throw those in the regionals. Ion Pro for my spare ball. I brought an original Idol, and I have my favorite ball in the bag right now, the Typhoon. The faster we get to the Typhoon, the better, because that ball is magic. Good luck, Fitz.
Thanks, Darren.
Yeah.
Appreciate it.
Yeah, I try to be as nice as possible to Fitz. Here we go. All right, well, there was no recap yesterday because my phone died. So you guys probably didn't see the little fry I had at the end of the last game. At 180 to finish, wasn't so good. I threw every ball in my bag. I brought 6. I used 6. Made the cut by, there's a little gap. I think it was 64 over. I was plus 76, backed into it. But the next person out was like 40 over, so we made it pretty soft. We're about 30 out of the top 8. So we got 4 games to try to make up some ground. And I think the game plan is going to stay the same because yesterday there were a lot of people doing a lot of different things, and now the field is consolidated into the guys that bowled well. I would imagine we're all going to play them a little more similar today, so they're going to break down a little bit better. So hopefully we can take advantage of that, make some good decisions, make some good shots, and typically when we do that, things work out. So I'm going to try to dial in. I just want to mention how different it is, like the environment that we're playing in. It just feels a little bit harder to lock in. And I know that's something that I got to work on because that should be a constant same no matter what the atmosphere is, because that's something that I can control. But it's just something different about bowling a regional versus bowling out on the tour. Yeah, let's try to treat it just the same as anything else and let's go get the job done today. I just need the lanes to change a little more so I can throw the ball. Well, I survived. I guess a double in the 10th would have locked it up, but I threw it good, made a move, and I 2-4-8'd, and I made the cut by 4. So we're bowling match play. Wesley's up top, leading by 100 and a lot, probably close to 200, honestly. It feels like we're playing for second, but hey, we'll see. You never know. It's 8 games, a lot of bonus spins. I'm pretty hard stuck at about 215 right now, so we got to figure out how to get a couple more hits, throw a couple more good shots, and maybe roll some 240s. So yeah, we're in bowling match play. We made it to the final round. Hopefully we can make a little run here. Tell me how that makes sense.
And go back to the right in a ball game. You can't tell me those 2 balls are 7 boards different.
I've been further. It's nothing new. It's a standard required skill in ball control now. I don't even know where my sheet is. Okay. I went around the bald god. Bald Eagle 2.0. So the key is you just bowl as fast as you can. It doesn't give you time to think, and you just bowl 240. I've done it twice now. I've shot 244 both times. That's just what happens when you're at the bottom. I guess you just want a ball, you want to get out. But Wesley won, as anticipated. So congrats to him. I finished 5th. 3rd in the right-handed category. Not bad. Not good. Actually, 5th is never really a bad place to finish. 6th is worse. Sucks for PJ. But I'm sure he'll get one up next time. Anyways, thanks for watching. Make sure you like, comment, and subscribe if you enjoyed the content, enjoyed the fry, and man, yeah, I was ripe. Mentally, we gotta work on it. Yeah, all those comments in the comment section tell me I need to work on my mental game. I gotta start. Let me hire somebody in the comments to coach me because I'm not very good mentally. So